In this video, I am going to teach you exponent. Okay. So, what is exponent? A to the power x. So, A is called base and x is exponent. It is called exponent, power or index also. Okay. So, base and exponent. So there are certain laws of exponent. First one is a upon b power m into a upon b power n. See, have a look here. Base are same and base are multiplying with each other and their powers are different. So when base are same and powers are different, their powers add. They add up. Okay. Example is 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 4. These are same here. So, it will become 5 power 2 plus 4, that is 5 power 6. Okay. Now, next is base are same here and they both are dividing with each other. So, when they divide, powers subtract, means a upon b power m divided by a upon b power n equals to a upon b power m minus n. So, 5 power 6 divided by 5 power 3. Okay. So, 5 power 6 minus 3, our answer will be 5 power 3. Now, next, base a upon b power m whole power n. In this case, powers multiply with each other. So, 5 power 3 whole power 4. So, the powers will multiply. 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. If any number is having power, negative power, so number become reciprocal. Means, suppose 5 power minus 2. Okay. So, power is in minus. So, to make its power positive, we will reciprocate this number. Means 1 upon 5 power 2. Okay. Another example. This is one example. Another example. 3 upon 7 power minus 1. So, to make it positive, power positive, we will write 7 upon 3 power 1. Okay. Now, next is if any number is having power 0. So, whole value will be 1 only. Means, if even 999 is having power 0, then its value will become 1. Okay. Now one more thing is here. If one example, I am writing here, a power m into b power m. Look here, bases are different but powers are same. Okay, power is same here in both. So, we will multiply a into b and we will take common of power. Okay, means its example will be, suppose 3 into 5, 3 power 5 into 4 power 5. So, I can write 3 into 4 whole power 5, that is 12 power 5. So, you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 laws. Okay. Now, sums based on exponents. So, evaluate. 1 upon 2 power minus 5. See, power is in minus, negative power. So, it will become 2 upon 1 power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So your answer is 32. Okay? And you have to write here rule. Rule also means laws. A power minus 1 equals to 1 upon A. Okay? Now next question is 2 upon 3 power minus 3 into 2 upon 3 power minus 2. So it will become 3 upon 2 power 3 into 3 upon 2 power 2. They, they reciprocate. Now bases are same, so power will add up. 3 upon 2 power 3 plus 2. So you will get 3 upon 2 power 5. So your answer will be 32 upon, sorry, not 32, 729. I am not remembering. So, but you write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 upon 32. Okay. Now, next is 9 upon 8 power minus 3 into 9 upon 8 power 2. So, it will become 8 upon 9 power 3. You can solve in this way and one more way. So, 3 into 9 upon 8 power 2. Okay. Now, 8 upon 9 into 8 upon 9 into 8 upon 9 into 9 upon 8 into 9 upon 8. 9, 9, 9, 9, 8, 8, 8, 8. So your answer is 8 upon 9. Okay. Now next is minus 2 upon 3 power 2 whole power minus 2. Okay. So it will become minus 2 upon 3 power 2 into minus 2. Okay. Don't forget to write loss on the right side. Okay. So minus 2 upon 3 power minus 4. 2 2s are 4. Minus 4. Now we will make power positive. Minus 3 upon 2 power 4. It's your answer. Okay. Otherwise you can write 81 upon 16. Okay. You can write answer in both ways. Now next question is 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power minus 1 close bracket into 3 to the power 2. So just now I explained you any number which is having power 0, its value is 1. Okay. So 1 plus power is negative, so it will become reciprocal into 9. So these are 9. Now solve it. 3 plus 1 into 9. So 4 upon 3 into 9. 3 1 are 3, 3 3 is 9. Now answer is 4 into 3, that is 12. So it is your answer. Okay. Now next question is 2 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 3. So 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3. Divide is here. So first I am writing 1 upon 2 whole power 3. First I will make powers positive. So it will become 1 upon 6. Now into 2 upon power whole power 3. Divide. First I make powers positive. Then I remove the sign of divide then multiply, and right side of number will become reciprocal. Okay. So 1 upon 6 into 2 upon 1 into 2 upon 1 into 2 upon 1. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. So our answer is 4 upon 3. It is our answer. I hope you are understanding all the sums. Don't forget to write loss on right side of the sum.